pray together. So for Rayana, could you lead us for praying together?
Okay, Miss. So before we start our lesson for today, let's pray together on your own belief. Pray number 8.
Okay, thank you, Raya. And now I will check your attendance. Is anyone absent today? No. Okay, good. So everyone is here. Okay, students, please look at the picture. So, what do you see in the picture? Food. That's food.
Shawarma.
Okay, would you like to try the food? Yes. All right. And for Satya, what is your favorite food?
I think my favorite food is kebab.
Okay, I agree with you because it's very yummy. And do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? Yes. Yes, okay, nice. So because you are in a culinary class, so that's why you take this class. Okay, so for our learning objective of today's lesson is first you will be able to identify the structure and the language feature of procedure text, and second you will be able to classify the structure and the language feature of procedure text, and the last you will be able to implement the steps of from a procedure text to complete a given task.
So, what kind of you?
Okay, now I will give you a worksheet and you have to pay attention to the instruction first, and I will explain what you have to do after this. Okay, now I will explain what you have to do. So, you will listen to the audio of a conversation about making a pizza, and then you have to do fill the blank exercise. And I will give you 5 minutes to complete your task. So, do you understand, students? Yes! Okay, good. So, let's start.
So, what kind of pizza should we make? I have some pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers.
I like all of those toppings. Why don't we make a pepperoni and mushroom pizza? That's my favorite.
Sounds great to me. Should we make a red sauce or a white sauce?
I usually prefer red sauce, but I'm hoping to try something different. Do you have a good recipe for white sauce?
Yes, I do. It's really simple. We just need some heavy cream, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. We can mix it all together and spread it on the dough.
That sounds delicious. Let's do it. Should we preheat the oven now?
Yes, let's preheat it to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And while we wait, let's slice the pepperoni and mushrooms.
Okay, got it. This is going to be the best pizza ever.
Okay, now it's time to you to complete your exercise. Okay, the time is up, students, so we will discuss it about your answer. So for the first question, Nurul, Could you share your answer to us?
Okay, so my answer for our question is pepperoni and mushroom.
Pepperoni and mushroom. So we'll listen to the audio.
So, what kind of pizza should we make? I have some pepperoni, mushrooms, onion.
Okay, what did you hear, guys? Pepperoni and mushroom. Yeah, let's check the answer. Okay, so it seems that Nurul's answer is correct. So congratulations and give applause for Nurul. Okay, so now it's time for Mr. Alfin that will lead us to the next session.
Hello, good morning, student. Good morning. Are you still excited to follow this lesson, student? Yes. Okay, in these sessions, we will begin with some text. So I will show the procedure text that talk about how to make a pizza. So in these sessions, I would like to choose at least 2 students to read the text. First students will read about the goal and ingredients, and the second students will read about the text. So anyone who read this text? Okay, maybe I will choose my left side and right side. So in my right side I choose Isna, and the left side I choose Benny. Okay, Benny first read the text.
Procedure text. How to make pizza. Go. Make a delicious homemade pizza. Ingredients: flour, salt, cheese, eggs, olive oil, toppings, water, tomato sauce, herbs, and spices.
Okay, one step. First is mix flour, yeast, salt, olive oil, and water to make the dough.
Okay, thank you for Benny and Isna. Now, when you look at the screens, when you look at the text, there is the different color. Yes?
Yes.
There is a red and blue color in several words. So, anyone knows who is the meaning of the words that with the color red and blue? Okay, I will give you a clue. In the first session, Miss Farida give you explanations that we will talk about the language features and the structure. So, anyone can guess what is the red color and what is the blue color? Okay, Raya.
The color is the structure of the procedure text, and then the blue is the language features of procedure text.
Okay, is that correct answer? Thank you, Raya. So, then, how many structures that contained in the procedure text, Benny? Mentions them.
3. Goods, ingredient, and step.
Okay, it's a good answer, Benny. So I will choose at least one student a day to mention about the ingredients once. So Surya, when you see the ingredients part in procedure text, what means by ingredients in this procedure text?
It means the things that we need or make the goal or pizza.
Okay, it's a good answer, Surya. Surya answer is ingredients is the materials needed to complete the steps and to achieve the goal. Give applause for Surya. Okay, in the next answer, in the next slide, we will identify in detail about the structured text and language feature in procedure text. So I need the 2 students to read structured text and language feature. So anyone who reads? Okay, Santia and Nindita. The time is yours.
Structure text. goal. The goal is a clear statement of what the software intends to achieve.
Language features: sequence or precision word. Precisions and sequence words are single words that connect ideas or steps in writing or speaking.
Okay, students. So after you read this text, it means that you are able to identify the structured text and language feature that contain in procedural text. Okay, next one. Okay, students, let's do ice breaking because I saw you are too tired and maybe you are bored about the lessons today. So now let's do ice breaking. Before we do an activity of ice breaking, so what do you see in the picture?
Chicken.
Okay. So, Benny, do you like fried chicken?
Of course.
Okay. What the reasons you like fried chicken?
Because it's crunchy and melted soft.
Okay, it's real crunchy, Benny. Good answer. So how about you, Abu? Do you like fried chicken?
Yes,
Why?
because it's very crispy and it's very delicious.
Okay, it's very crispy and very delicious. Because most of you like fried chicken, let's do ice breaking with sing a song. Maybe Miss Farida and Miss Aulia can join to give an example. Okay, let's sing a song and with Miss Farida and Miss Aulia will give an example. So please pay attention. If you like fried chicken, clap your hands. If you like fried chicken, say I like it. If you like fried chicken, if you like fried chicken, clap your hand and say I like it together. Do you get the idea? Yeah. Let's do ice breaking with your spirit up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. If you like fried chicken, clap your hands. If you like fried chicken, say I like it. If you like fried chicken, if you like fried chicken, clap your hand and say I like it together. Okay, thank you, students. Let's go in the next slide. In the next slide, we will do an activity to fulfill or to achieve our goal in learning in the second learning objective. So here are the tasks. You can show in your worksheet about the tasks. In the task 2, the activity is classifying text structure and language feature. So there are actually several sentences in the table. So your duty is which of the following options include goals, ingredients, steps, and sequence word. Do you get the idea, students? Yes. Okay. I give you at least 5 to 10 minutes to do the work with your group. Okay, time's up. Now, I will choose. Before I choose the group to present your work, so maybe any volunteer, any group to present their result of their discussions. If not, I will choose one of group. Okay, maybe Surya's group is ready to present their discussions. Please come forward. Maybe each of you, maybe Surya say what is the goal, and Nita what is the ingredients, and Sandhya what is involved in the step. Okay? So before letting the answer, the answer of Surya's group is true or not. Start from goal. Yes.
Okay, good morning guys. We are from group 2 and let me introduce ourselves. My name is Santia.
My name is Surya.
My name is Nindita.
So today we're gonna present our group work. So the first one is goal. The goal is to make delicious and crispy fried chicken easily at home.
Okay, enough. Let's check in the answer for task 2. The goal is to make delicious and crispy fried chicken easily at home. That is the correct answer. Please give applause to Surya. Next is
Okay, for ingredients, there is chicken pieces, buttermilk, black pepper, all-purpose flour, garlic powder, paprika, and vegetable oil.
okay. When you check in the slide about the ingredients, all the Surya's group answer is involved in the table. It means Santia's answer is a correct answer. Please give applause to Santia. The last is steps.
For steps, finally, drain the fried chicken on paper towels to remove excess oil and serve hot. And next, remove the chicken from the buttermilk, letting the excess drip off.
Okay, if you check all the Surya's group answer in the steps sessions is contain the finally until the next remove the chicken from the buttermilk until end, so it means that the answer of Surya's group is a correct answer. Please give applause to Surya's group. Okay, after doing this task, it means we are achieve the second learning objective when we can classify about the structured text and language feature in procedure text. Okay, thank you for Surya's group. Please give applause once more. Okay, the next task is to squeeze each of the steps for making crispy chicken below correctly. So in the steps 1 is unstructured how to make a crispy chicken. Now in the next activity, one group will come forward and give will stick a paper on the whiteboard to make these steps in a structured form. Okay, please, your group Rayana, please come forward. Okay. Rayana's group has already staked all the paper with the structure steps how to make crispy chicken in correct steps. Okay, for Nurul, you can check and stand up in the side while Rayana will read the answer for task 3.
Okay, so for task 3, the answer is first marinate the chicken piece in buttermilk mixed with salt, black pepper, and hot sauce.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so last, finally drain the fried chicken on paper towels to remove excess oil and serve hot.
It's 2.
Yes, it's true.
Okay, please give applause to Rayana's group. Okay, for the next sessions, we'll guide by Miss Aulia.
Students, let's check the answer of Rayana's group. So any different answer from any group? No. Okay. Okay guys, we already in the last session. So what we have learned today guys, students? Okay, Raya?
Okay, so today we have learned about the culinary structure and the language features of procedure text about creating food that consists of full ingredients and steps for the structure.
Okay, thank you Rayana. So today we learn about language feature and general structure of procedure text consists whole, ingredients, and steps. So how do you feel, students? Happy. Okay, for Nurul, what makes you happy, Nurul?
So, I'm happy because the material is about the food that I like.
Okay, thank you. Okay, before our class, I have a homework for you guys. So, for the homework, choose a procedure text about food and analyze the language features and structure. And you will present your work in the next meeting. Okay, are you understand about the homework?
Yes.
Okay, before we end our class, I need one student to lead the prayer. So, anyone? Okay, Rival?
Okay guys, before we end the lesson, let's pray and try to start. Pray number 9.
Okay, thank you, Rival. So guys, don't forget to do your homework and see you next meeting. Bye bye guys.